34. We don't have any time. We're gonna have to talk while we're inside. We're late. We're actually going to a car meet right now. And I know what you guys are thinking. I thought this was supposed to be the green light unboxing video, then the airsoft video. I didn't get a chance to upload any of those videos because I actually lost power. Friday, no power. Saturday, no power. We had a crazy storm. We literally just got power an hour ago. So obviously without power, I couldn't charge my GoPro. The only power outlet I had was in my car. And I'm not going to sit in my car and, you know, charge both my devices. But yeah, so I had no battery. I couldn't film the green light unboxing video because I had no lights in my house to illuminate the setting. The airsoft video, I couldn't charge my batteries. We did go airsofting, but it was just so bad. Trust me, I didn't film it because you guys wouldn't like it anyway. I mean, my gun was always dying out with battery. I had to borrow batteries from the shop, and it was just a mess. So we're gonna start fresh with CVPI vlog number 34. We're going to a car meet right now. We're about 30 minutes away or 25 minutes away, something like that. But in my Interceptor, we'll probably get there in 5. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up now because I really need to put the GPS and find out where I'm going. So I'm gonna put you guys in the mount, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we're there. That guy was swerving everywhere. If that state trooper gets him, I'll be so happy. Please tell me you're getting the guy I think you're getting. Yes! I don't know. I don't know if he is going to get him, but... That's somebody. Alright guys, so we finally have arrived. In all honesty, when that state trooper was, as you guys saw, he pulled out, I honestly thought he was going to stop me, but holy crap, he went up, there was a guy weaving in and out of traffic, like he was such in a rush. You know, we have arrived, now I just got to see where they're all parked up. Hopefully it's somewhere close. Dang, these roads are horrible. And I already see one Crown Vic. Now just to see where the others are. I see one. Another spot to take some pictures, a nicer spot. hung out around here for about an hour. And again, all the pictures I take will be over on Instagram if you guys want to go check it out. All my buddies that we hang out with, if you guys want to go check out their profiles and stuff, I obviously tag them in the pictures and all. So, oh, that Crown Vic booty.
What?
This is why I love going to meets. It's just so sick, just all of us rolling out together. Just, oh man, I love it. A lot of fun hanging out. Trying not to lose track of him. I'm a couple of cars behind him now. I always seem to be the last one. Like, I always seem to be left behind, but that's okay. As long as I can keep him in my sight, then I shouldn't get lost. It's always so funny when we roll, you know, with the group, because the way that people react, basically when you see one of a, you know, just one Crown Vic or, you know, one ex-cop car, but when you see 3 or more rolling together, or even 2, I mean, people just react like, it's just hilarious. I love it. It's so funny. And it's not like we're doing anything bad, you know, just cruising, you know. Man, the back end of the Crown Vic just looks so sexy in my opinion. I don't know. I just keep looking at it, like, my eyes are just drawn to the back of it. Like, damn. And he's got the light bar in the back, which is pretty cool. I'm personally not familiar with this area. This is my buddy's area, so I'm just following him to take some pictures before it gets dark. So hopefully we can get there in time and take some good pictures. Like I said, again, all the pictures will be over on my Instagram if you guys want to go check them out. Yeah, it's probably going to be it for the vlog. I try to get as much, you know, footage as possible, but every time there's someone new to the meet, I always try to, you know, talk and stuff, so that's why I don't really get a lot of footage sometimes during the meets, because, you know, this is our first meet in a long time, so, you know, we had a lot of catching up to. Hope we can all, you know, hang out again. Hopefully soon. It just sucks with the weather. It's always so cold, or it's, you know, some of us are busy while some of us are not, and so it's kind of hard to set up a meet where everyone can be here at the same time, but hopefully we'll get, you know, some more meets going on. Once the weather gets warmer in the summertime, there should be a lot more meets coming, a lot more people, so but of course you guys will see that. I'll vlog it for you guys. People are bugging out right now so bad. If you guys can see behind me, people do not want to pass us at all. Literally the whole highway is just this is awesome. I'm gonna try to get on the side of my buddy, see if we can roll side by side. I wish you guys could see right now the amount of cars that are just, they will not pass us. My buddy's behind me right now. We're cruising side by side. I'm gonna stay in the middle lane and see if any cars pass us. Doing 70 miles an hour. So not speeding. Yep, this car came flying up on the fast lane, and as soon as she saw our cars, she ain't gonna pass, no way. There's at least a good 24 cars behind us right now, and I'm doing the speed limit. I'm only doing 70, so I mean, they could pass me since they're on the fast lane. I'm just in the middle lane, just cruising speeds, but they will not pass us at all. A lot of gas. As usual, I mean, it's a Crown Vic. What do you really expect? But yeah, it was really fun hanging out with everybody. Like I said, again, I wish more people came, but, you know, nevertheless, it's always fun to hang out. I absolutely enjoy doing car meets. Like I said, again, it's not really a car meet. It's kind of like, you know, a gathering of friends. You know, even though we had one new guy, you know, we met for the first time. He was really cool. You know, he said he subscribed to my YouTube, found me through YouTube, and then, you know, was inspired, you know, to get a Vic, which by my videos, which always means a lot to me. You know, I've gotten a couple messages like that before, like, oh, watching your videos, you know, makes me want to go out and buy a Vic, or I bought a Vic because of your videos. So that honestly means so much to me. It means I'm doing something right by, you know, raising awareness about these cars, and, you know, not that just because they're ex-cop cars doesn't mean we use them for all the, you know, we buy them for the wrong reasons or stuff like that. I also did order something for my push bar. Didn't come in yet, and it didn't even ship. I ordered it like 2 or 3 days ago. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to ship, so I hope they didn't cancel it on me because it's really cool. The guys at the meet already know what it is, but it's going to be a secret for the rest of you. You Crown Vic crew here on YouTube. But now I'm going to go get something to eat because I'm freaking starving. Alright guys, that's going to end the vlog off here. I try to get as much shots as possible. Like I said, again, next video we have power, so I can actually do the green light video now and do that. And I'm also going to be doing a separate video on the giveaway, the details. Like I said, again, 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So the details and everything will be in that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. We are so close to 7,000. I cannot thank you guys enough for the support. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. One more thing before I go. Don't mind the Dunkin' Donuts cup. But yeah, anyway, my last video when I did the official antenna setup, as you guys can see, I have no more puck in the middle. So now it's just the 5 on top and then the 2. I do agree with you guys. It did feel a little bit cluttered, like it was just too much. That also, in my opinion, looks a lot better. So I took out the puck, and so that's how it's going to stay for now. Just got to clean it up a little bit. It's a little dirty from the magnets being there always, but gives it kind of a fresh new look as well, not always having the puck there. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick insight on that.